Unlocking Telegram's monetization secrets, a guide for everyone. What's up everybody, it's a week back again with you today and we're talking Telegram. Now you probably know Telegram as a messaging app, clean interface, end-to-end encryption, all that good stuff. But there's another side to Telegram we're diving deep on today, the monetization game. Let's get started. For channel owners, turning your content into cash. First things first, let's talk to the channel owners out there. If you've already got a Telegram channel up and running, you're in a prime position to tap into the monetization potential. Think of it like this. You've built a dedicated audience interested in what you've got to say, and that, my friends, is valuable. One of the most straightforward ways to monetize your channel is through good old-fashioned advertising. Now, before you skip ahead thinking this is some complicated marketing scheme, hear me out. Attracting advertisers to your Telegram channel can be simpler than you think, especially with the right approach. The key here is understanding your audience. Who are these people subscribing to your channel? What are their interests, their demographics? Once you have a solid grasp on who you're creating content for, you can start seeking out advertisers that align with your niche. Let's say you've got a Telegram channel dedicated to all things tech reviews, news, tutorials, you name it. You wouldn't want to hit up companies selling gardening supplies, right? Instead, you'd reach out to tech brands, app developers, maybe even online course creators, businesses that resonate with your tech-savvy audience. Another way to attract advertisers is by showcasing your channel's performance. Numbers don't lie, and advertisers are all about those metrics. Highlight your channel's reach, engagement rate, and any other data that demonstrates the value you bring to the table. Think of it like this. You're pitching your channel as prime real estate for advertisers to get their message in front of the right people. A well-crafted pitch that includes your audience insights and channel analytics can be incredibly persuasive. And hey, don't underestimate the power of building relationships. Networking is huge in any industry, and the world of Telegram advertising is no different. Engage with brands, participate in relevant Telegram groups, and build genuine connections. Remember, it's not just about blasting out promotional messages, it's about fostering a sense of community and trust. Navigating Telega.io, your gateway to Telegram advertising. Alright, so we've talked about the why behind monetizing your Telegram channel. Now let's get into the how. And that's where Telega.io comes into play. Think of Telega.io as the go-to marketplace for all things Telegram advertising. It's where channel owners, like yourself, can connect with advertisers looking to reach your specific audience. Now, I know some of you might be hesitant when you hear the word marketplace, but trust me on this one. Telega.io simplifies the entire advertising process, making it straightforward and accessible, even if you're new to this whole monetization thing. So, how does it work? Well, it starts with creating an account on Telega.io, easy peasy. Once you're all set up, you'll need to list your channel on the platform. This is where you provide all those crucial details we talked about earlier. Remember when I mentioned understanding your audience? This is where that knowledge comes in handy. Telega.io allows you to specify your channel's category, language, and target audience, ensuring that your channel gets in front of the right advertisers. You'll also want to highlight your channel's strengths. Are you known for your in-depth reviews, your engaging storytelling, your witty humor? Let your channel's personality shine through in your description to attract advertisers that align with your vibe. And of course, don't forget those all-important metrics. Telega.io lets you showcase your channel's subscribers, views, and engagement rates, giving potential advertisers a clear picture of your channel's performance. The more data you provide, the better. Think of your Telega.io listing as your channel's resume. You want to put your best foot forward and highlight all the reasons why advertisers should choose you. Now once your channel is listed on Telega.io, the magic starts to happen. Advertisers will be able to browse through the platform's extensive catalog of channels, searching for those that match their target audience and campaign goals. And if your channel ticks all the right boxes, boom, you've got yourself a potential advertising deal. The beauty of Telega.io is that it streamlines the communication process between channel owners and advertisers. You can chat directly through the platform, negotiate rates, and finalize deals all in one place. No more back and forth emails or confusing spreadsheets. Telega.io keeps everything organized and efficient. This data is pure gold, my friends. Chapter 3. No channel, no problem monetizing Telegram without the content creation. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. This is all great if you have a channel, but what about those of us who don't? And that's a fair point. Not everyone has the time, resources, or desire to build a Telegram channel from the ground up. But here's the good news. You don't necessarily need a channel to tap into the monetization potential of Telegram. That's right, even if you're not a content creator, there are still opportunities to generate income through Telegram advertising. One such opportunity lies in becoming a Telegram advertiser yourself. Think about it. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for effective ways to reach their target audience. And with Telegram's massive user base and engaged communities, it's no surprise that more and more businesses are turning to this platform to get their message out there. But here's the catch. Not all businesses have the time or expertise to navigate the world of Telegram advertising. That's where you come in. By positioning yourself as a Telegram advertising consultant, you can help businesses create and execute successful ad campaigns on this platform. Your role would be to guide them through the entire process, from identifying their target audience to crafting compelling ad copy to selecting the right channels to partner with. You'd be the expert, the strategist, the one who helps them navigate the ins and outs of Telegram advertising. And the best part? You don't need a massive following or years of experience to get started. What matters most is your understanding of the platform, your ability to analyze data, and your willingness to stay ahead of the curve. Another way to monetize Telegram without a channel is by offering your services as a Telegram growth strategist. As the name suggests, your focus would be on helping existing Telegram channels expand their reach, increase their engagement, and ultimately, grow their audience. This could involve a variety of strategies, from optimizing their channel's bio and content strategy, to running targeted ad campaigns, to collaborating with other channels in their niche. It's all about understanding the mechanics of Telegram growth and applying that knowledge to help channels thrive. So there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of Telegram monetization. Leverage your audience, utilize platforms like Telega.io, and don't be afraid to get creative with your monetization strategies. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.